Hola. Sometimes when I move through nature and appreciate the beauty of the flowers, trees, moss, grass, touching the earth with my feet, the sky with its glitter falling upon me, I feel inspired to create some art with paints from nature and also through the beautiful technology of photo collage that I have been practicing, where I take pictures of the beautiful nature and then I cut myself from other pictures I take of my body, myself in different poses expressing how I feel, and I match them up, and usually there's a poem that is born before the creation of the art piece or after or during. So that's what I share with you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it nourishes you and inspires you to play with nature as you move through your day, through your life, and know that you are also nature and you are also part of the beauty of nature, and that it is your birthright to dance with it. Have a beautiful week.